Hey there, everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that affects a lot of us, tinnitus. If you're tired of that constant ringing in your ears, stick with me because I'm going to share some natural remedies that might just help. First up is Catuaba powder. This powerful herb comes from the Amazon rainforest and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's known for promoting a healthy balance of blood circulation. Good blood flow is essential for ear health, and improving it may help reduce the symptoms of tinnitus. Catuaba is also believed to have neuroprotective qualities. This means it might help protect your nerves from damage and support overall brain health. Since tinnitus can sometimes be linked to nerve issues, this could be particularly beneficial. Now let's talk about Damiana. This herb has been used for hundreds of years in Central and South America. It's often touted for its ability to enhance mood and reduce anxiety. Stress and anxiety can worsen tinnitus symptoms, so anything that helps you relax is a win in my book. Damiana is also thought to contribute to brain health preservation. Keeping your brain in tip-top shape is crucial for managing tinnitus. Plus, it's a natural way to support your mental well-being. So how do you take these herbs? You can find Catuaba and Damiana in various forms, like teas, capsules, and powders. Personally, I prefer the powder form because you can easily mix it into your smoothies or yogurt. Remember, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you're dealing with a chronic condition like tinnitus. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. To sum it up, Catuaba and Damiana could offer some much-needed relief if you're struggling with tinnitus. They promote healthy blood circulation, offer neuroprotective qualities, and contribute to brain health preservation. Plus, they're natural and have been used for centuries. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching. Take care and be well. Video title: How Catuaba and Damiana Can Help with Tinnitus. Description: Discover how Catuaba powder and Damiana can aid in your battle against tinnitus. Learn about their benefits for blood circulation, neuroprotection, and brain health. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Relaxing background music included. Subtitle: Discover the natural benefits of Catuaba powder and Damiana for tinnitus relief.